So if you're looking at a fancy toothbrush, look at the Oral-B IO9. So why this one over the other ones? Well, as you can set many different profiles, so different colours for all your family. That's just a wee fancy extra. But what that does is it allows you to track how each of the people using this toothbrush are brushing their teeth. So for example, if you're like me and you've got like a 5, 6 year old who's learning to brush their teeth, there's actually an AI app, the Oral-B app, that will show you where they might be missing areas of their teeth. That's where this comes in really handy, because it will identify really quickly, essentially, what's going wrong or where they might be going right, for example. The other good thing about this one as well is it'll essentially allow you to fast charge. So if you're on the go, you'll be able to essentially charge this within 3 hours. So it used to be overnight you'd have to charge these things, but now 3 hours. It's also got sensitivity alerts, so if you're going in too hard on your gums, it'll vibrate to let you know and put up a detail up here. And the other things it comes with, let me just show you, is you do get your travel case for the brush heads. You get 2 chargers, so it's just fancy. But you get the one that I never use, which is the travel case charger, which is for this. So you can take this on holiday, and you'll see here it's actually got its own charging kit, so you don't need to bring the other cable or the docking station. And then you've got the actual docking station itself. So this is an extra one that I've got. And essentially you just put it on top and it's magnetic and it just charges it. So really simple. The other thing you do get is a wee pouch, which I've never used, but it's a nice to have. With this, the reason that we got this one is essentially it keeps your teeth feeling really clean. The other thing I really liked about it is when you do each quarter of your jaw, it'll let you know when you've done it enough and then move on. I've got a bit of a habit where I'll go into the one area too long rather than actually doing the rest of my teeth, and that's helped me really understand that. So I definitely recommend. I think if you're looking for a really fancy toothbrush, this is the way to go.